everybody, today in front of me I have a HUAWEI Nova Y90 smartphone, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. Alrighty, so first of all open up the app gallery, at the search bar type in Opera, just like so. Once the needed app is found, click on this install button and wait for the application to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can go ahead and open the app. Here we gotta undergo a very simple and short setup procedure. So tap on the blue continue button, choose whether some of the options will be enabled from the start, or you can also skip this step pretty easily. So I'll enable ad blocking, enable tracker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. Finally, there is the page that allows you to either customize the permissions and accesses that you are going to grant to Opera, or you can simply allow everything that it needs and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.